Today we're going to continue with the alternative build of 7735. There's the alternative build, a picture of it. We're going to continue with the first wagon. Oh, that's already finished. It's again the same kind of base of the wagon. It's exactly the same base. I will do a snap with my finger and I will explain later. Kind of ramps that I'm building here. Let's postpone the sticker part, which you should not do with things that you actually don't like to do. Hello, this is Timo and this is another video of my project where I'm talking and building my old Lego. Today we're going to continue with the alternative build of set 7735. It was released in 1985 and it's bearing the name Freight Train. And there's the alternative build, a picture of it. And we're going to continue with the first wagon. Last first part, we were building this locomotive. And let's see, maybe I can put it here. Or maybe it makes more sense if I put it here. Because there's anyway space. So we need one of these plates. And then I was mentioning it already before. Then it's always basically a bit the same with this 12 volt trains with the wagons, that you're always kind of building the same base. And there's plates and plates, you always have to make sure it is quite fixed. Yeah, they're all a bit loose. They're not really clicking anymore, these couplers, most of them. Yeah, just over time, they just lose all this strength. That one is clicking. And then all right. Yeah, that was all what I was already expecting to happen, that this coupler is just falling out. Because it's now upside down and then the gravity is not holding it in its place. The gravity is pulling it out. But that's fine. Let's just first continue with putting everything on its place, and then we will fix that coupler again. So just a moment. Just not clicking. Maybe you can just got a bit loose. That's just how it is. It's an interesting piece. Like, I don't know if you still see it in modern Lego, this gate piece. Yeah, it's just like with Lego that some pieces, some parts, they just got expired and they are not used anymore. Maybe they got replaced by better alternatives. And I guess this is a bit loose the way you have to put it. Just like a kind of a load. All right, just do it like it's on the instructions. Oh, that's already finished. Okay. Then let's put this one here. So it's again the same kind of base plate we are building here. The base of the wagon. So we're kind of repeating the first steps of the wagon before. Like all these wagons of that era, the 12-volt system, they had a bit like a similar build, similar base. And of course, it's also like there are not a lot of varieties how you can do that different, right? So there's no one to blame for that. And its coupler is always a bit annoying. Yeah, the alternative build has one locomotive and 2 wagons, and I think the A model has actually 3 wagons, and that's why there are still couplers left here on the pile of bricks. And the magnets. And then there the wheels go again. Oh, I see, I forgot also something with the previous step. That's exactly the same base. Yes, and now I have to be careful that I'm not continuing here. Which I actually was doing. Now I have to check. Yeah, it's just exactly the same base, so that's fine. All right. A lot of towels that I used here for some reason, probably. Okay. It's also like an asymmetrical vehicle, wagon. And again, this is a total surprise what is happening here. I never built this alternative build before, so I'm also letting myself being surprised. This is a quite annoying thing, because I have to use here I will do a snap with my finger and I will explain later. Yeah. So I went to the checkout first because this one is already still fixed. I think it's fixed there, this wire. This knot is there already for 30 years. And yeah, a good knot. And the people that already watched some videos before, they know that I don't like to make knots. So I also don't like to remove that knot to get that piece for the way they use it in the alternative build. And there's only two of these pieces, I think. So that's why I just checked my backup parts, and I just choose another one. Yeah. So in the end, that one will still be left on the table, but I'm not going to remove that knot and suffer again later with the A model to put it back again. All right, it's looking good. It's kind of ramps that I'm building here, so I think this is where a motorcycle is going to be stored. I know this set has some motorcycles, so yeah. Then we need still one more here. Can I just do it like this? And then there is like some okay, that's a quite interesting. I think this is set 7715, which we were building before. The alternative build also had like a similar wagon, right? I remember that. And then they have a motorcycle. Okay, we don't decorate it with anything. All right. Just stored there. And then we have to decorate the doors with some more stickers. But before that I take some sips. And before that also, there also has to be some tools. Let's postpone the sticker part a bit more, which you should not do with things that you actually don't like to do. You should do it as quick as possible, that you don't need to do it later anymore, right? So that's always the thing. But let's go for it. And here are the black stickers involved. And right. I mean, it's funny, like I will show in a bit. It's funny because on the instructions, even in the instructions, the stickers are not straight. So just one moment and I'll show you guys. That's actually a funny thing. Okay, yeah, could be a bit lower, but that's fine. Then we have the second wagon. I actually didn't show the first wagon to you guys, but it's a really simple one. You can also maybe see it from the distance how it looks like, but this one is a bit more particular and more interesting. Yeah, like a kind of cabin there. This is always a bit the thing with this alternative builds, of course, right? They are not so, yeah, let's share it, let's show it. This is the first wagon, yeah. That's always a bit the thing, right, with this alternative builds, that they are a bit like, oh yeah, and I wanted to show that the sticker here in the instructions, in my opinion, it's also not very straight there on the door. So they already show you that even drawing it is already that difficult thing, you know, to get straight. Yes, this is a train. We will continue in the last part of this build, the last video, with there's a little car, a platform, and we will lay the track, and maybe we'll also run the train, if it's still working after 30 years. Until that moment, I wish you all the best. Please subscribe to my channel. That's very important for my channel to grow. You can leave a comment, and I wish you a wonderful day, and goodbye.